So I just kind of like learning about the world that we live in, and physics really just is everything around you. It's why that door opens. It's why you can, get up in the morning and walk around even, and it's just everywhere you look, you see physics, and it's just amazing to be able to wake up and know why you're seeing that physics or how that's happening, and just the curiosity of it.
I chose Duquesne for a lot of reasons. I knew that there's a lot of research at Duquesne, and they offered a lot of programs for like women in STEM. I also heard that Duquesne had a Bear School Scholarship, which provides full tuition and summer research. Having a school that provided tuition was like, this is perfect, like it works out, I can go to school.
I think they're doing a really good job preparing me for a professional career. The faculty and staff here are very outgoing and willing to place you into a direct professional environment. We have several faculty who are engaged in research actively, whether it be in their own labs or at a national lab.
I really love the people here and the professors and everything. The physics majors are like our own little family, and really when I think back on it, everybody made it super easy, and I met some of my best friends here, and it's just something that I'm always going to remember, coming here and just feeling so welcome, like into a family. Even in the physics department, we all just from day one got along and helped each other out, and it made it easy.
Being such a small department, I know my professors very well. Like, I know about what they've gone through, I know about their lives, and knowing about their lives helps me get through mine because I'm gaining experience from their conversations.
So some of the support that the physics faculty have given me is things like internships and connections. I've had an internship every year that I've been here, which is amazing. Paid internship as well, which is amazing experience.
Last summer, I worked with the Department of Energy in their summer undergraduate laboratory internship. I was remotely collaborating with staff at the facility in Virginia. So I was pretty much every day I was talking to staff scientists there, working on fixing a software problem in particular because of the remote nature of the project. The opportunity is really good to work in that kind of environment and develop professional skills.
I do love research a lot. My research has to do with experimental particle physics. I started to work under Dr. Mokhtar's mentor from Jefferson Lab, and he's working on the electron-ion collider. So I got to experience like the foundation of a project being built.
The nice thing about a physics degree is that you have a lot of options available to you, whether it's an undergraduate degree or a graduate degree. My graduate degree, for example, I could go directly into working into a research field, I could work at a laboratory, I could work for the government. I have a lot of options. So those are just a few of my most favorite options. Those are, I'm deciding between those three on what I want to do.
I've moved around a lot, so I've seen a lot of different communities, and I understand that the education in my specific communities, like Black community, aren't receiving the same education. So I want to be able to go back to my community and give them motivation to study math and science.
So I'm actually going into medical physics after this, which I found is a different sector of physics, and I found it through the department, through some of our classes, and my mentor helped me to find that subject, and I didn't know that I could use physics to help other people, and it's just really exciting that I'm able to go into the medical world still and be able to use my knowledge of physics to help other people. And so doing stuff like that, being able to ease people through some of the hardest times of their life, is something I never thought I could do with physics, but it's very exciting that I can.